Okay, I'm on page 225 of the Go Math textbook. Let's take a look. So for these ones, you're just saying yes or no if you agree. So 20% of 60. To find that, we change it to a decimal. Multiply. And then once you get this answer, you're checking to see if it is 12. If this answer is 12, you bubble in yes. If this answer is not 12, you bubble in no. Okay, I'm going to erase. You don't need to erase. Okay, same thing here. 50% of 48, we're checking to see if it's 24. So I change 50% to a decimal. Move my decimal over twice. Becomes 0.50. Multiply that by 48. And then I'm checking, does this number here, is this number 24? If it is, I bubble in yes. If this number is not 24, I bubble in no. Okay, last one, and I'll let you finish it off, but 75% of 20, again, I change it to a decimal. Multiply it by 20, check. Does this answer equal 14? If it does, you bubble in yes. If it doesn't, you bubble in no. And that's how you solve these problems. Okay, on to number 17. Heather and her family are going to the grand opening of a new amusement park. There's a special price on tickets this weekend. Tickets cost $56 each. This is 70% of the cost of the regular price ticket. What is the cost of the regular price ticket? Okay, so $56 each. This is 70%. So we're trying to find $56 is 70% of, oh, sorry about that, is 70% of what? Well, let's set it up. 70% is 71 over 100. 56 is the part, so it becomes the numerator, and the whole is what we don't know. The whole is the regular price. Okay, remember you can simplify up and down. You can also cross simplify and then solve for x. Okay, got it set up. I'll let you finish it off. Heather's mom says they would save more than $100 if they buy 4 tickets for their family on the opening weekend. Do you agree or disagree with Heather's mom? So what you're doing on this problem is you have to find out the total cost. So we'll call this our first answer. You're going to find that total cost on part A. And then you find the difference. So let's see. Total minus 56. That's going to tell you how much you saved. So that's the answer to part 2. And then you take the answer to part 2, how much you saved, you multiply it by 4 tickets, and then you check, is this number greater than, less than, or equal to $100? If it's more than 100, if this answer is more than 100, then you would agree with Heather's mom. If this answer is less than 100, you would disagree with Heather's mom. All right, I'll let you do the math. But again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to raise your hand. All right, Elsie said that 0.2 equals 2%. Use words and numbers to explain her mistake. Well, I can see if I look at place value here, that 0.2, the 2 is in the tenths place. So that would be tenths, 2 tenths. And if I change that to hundredths, I would have to multiply by 10. And I would get 20 hundredths. And 20 hundredths does not equal 2%. 20 hundredths equals 20%. Okay. And then you can use some of the words that I used as I explained what I was doing to write in and fill in using the words. So here are the numbers that explain it, and then I used some words to talk about it as well. So if you need to rewind the video and listen again, don't hesitate to do so. Also, if you have additional questions, please raise your hand. All right, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.